Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level grammar lesson. We're continuing to talk about modal verbs and today we're going to be looking at modals of probability, may, might, could, and must. So may, might, and could is somewhere between 0 and 50% probability. He could be hungry, he may be hungry, he might be hungry, so it's possible. He is hungry would be true 100%. It's a fact. All right, so make some sentences by matching the first half of the sentence with the second half. You can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to continue. So he hasn't decided, but he might come to the wedding. There are a lot of dark clouds, so it could rain today. Everyone is late, so we might start the meeting at 5 p.m. You might need to water the garden because it's been hot all week, and Helen wants to see you, so she may come over tonight. Here are a few more. Are you coming with us on Friday? I'm not sure. I may have to work. Did you hear the weather report? It could snow on Thursday. We're tired and hungry. We might get a pizza this evening. I'm bored. Well, we could go to the cinema. Where is Carol? I don't know. She may be at lunch. All right, so now complete the sentences with may, might, or could plus one of the verbs below. Okay, the doctor said that I might need an operation on my arm. Mom said that she may see you this evening. You know, we could buy some new furniture for the living room. I haven't seen that new film yet. I might see it this week. So use mightn't and may not when it is possible not to do something. Mightn't isn't really used that often in American English. We would just say might not. Um, we don't generally contract it to mightn't, but it is possible. So you mightn't want to see that movie because it's very scary. I have a lot of work, so I may not be home for dinner. He may not eat fish. I can't remember. All right, so we're going to use, I'm going to say might not or may not, because again, in American English, we don't really use mightn't. Let's go for a coffee now. We may not have time later today. I have a bad stomach ache, so I might not go to work tomorrow. The sun is out today, so it may not rain. They ate an enormous lunch, so they might not eat dinner. So may, might, could, may not, and might not are in the less than 50%. And then 100% we would just use is with no modal. Okay, so now we're going to talk about couldn't and can't. I saw Sam half an hour ago. He was eating 2 hamburgers, French fries, and a vanilla milkshake. He can't be hungry, or he couldn't be hungry. I don't think it's possible after eating all that he's hungry, but I'm not 100% sure. If you say he isn't hungry, I am 100% sure that he is not hungry. Again, we're going to join the sentences. You can't be tired. You slept 10 hours last night. I couldn't be lost. I always know where I'm driving. She couldn't be in London. She was here an hour ago. You can't be serious. What you said is unbelievable. We can't be sick. We are going to a wedding tomorrow. He can't be home because he was at the office 10 minutes ago. You couldn't want dessert because you ate a huge dinner. Henry can't be late because he's always on time. It can't rain today because we are getting married. And you can't need money because I gave you $500 yesterday. All right, but here's a note. It says to be careful. We use can't and couldn't differently than we use could. So you could go to London for your holiday. It's possible and it's a suggestion. You can't go to London. It's impossible because you don't have any money. You couldn't go to London. It's impossible because it's too expensive for you. So now you're going to use can't or couldn't with one of the verbs below. So Dad can't be at the office. It's already 11 p.m. And Alice, you can't drive home. You haven't got your glasses and you can't see without them. You can't take another break. You were at lunch 1 hour ago. He couldn't pass the exam. It's not possible because he didn't study. Now we use must for strong advice and rules. You must work harder because it's important. We must call an ambulance because it's urgent. You must turn off your phone because it's a rule. We use must not for prohibition. You must not smoke inside the house. It's forbidden. You must not speak to him again. You do not have permission. All right, so here's some examples of using must for probability. Last night I saw Peter. He was sick. Today he is not at school, so Peter must be sick. You saw Alexis 10 minutes ago. Now she is not in the office. It is 1 p.m. She must be on her lunch break. Leave did not eat all day. She must be hungry. And then using mustn't, or again, we don't generally use mustn't in American English. We generally would say the long form must not, but mustn't is not incorrect. So here, last night I saw Peter. He was sick. I did not see him this morning. Peter must not be at school. Taylor usually sleeps at 10:30. It's 10 p.m. It is 11:30 p.m. Taylor is not sleeping. Taylor must not be tired. I am surprised. The neighbors are noisy. My mother is sleeping. She must not hear anything. Right, so here again we're showing the probability of may, might, could, may not, and might not. It's somewhere more than 0 but less than 50%. And here must and mustn't, or must not, about 95%. Can't and couldn't, about 99%, and is 100%. Okay, so we're going to look at the following. So he is hungry or he isn't hungry. That's 100%. He can't be hungry or he couldn't be hungry. About 99% certain. He must be hungry or he mustn't be hungry. About 95%. He might or might not be hungry. Less than 50. He may or may not be hungry. Again, less than 50. And he could be hungry. So use must or must not in these sentences. Again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. The dog ate an hour ago, so it must not be hungry. That must not be true because he always tells lies. The meeting room is empty, so the meeting must be tomorrow, not today. Whose coat is this? It must be James. He is the only person without a jacket on. Selima must not have a car because she always takes a taxi. He must be tired because he just got off a 20-hour plane ride from Sydney. That woman must live alone because she is always by herself. And his house must not be tidy because his office is always a mess. All right, so now match these statements to the percentages. So he is hungry or isn't hungry would be 100%. He must be hungry or he mustn't be hungry, about 99%. He may be hungry. He may not be hungry, I would say about 95. Let's see, he can't be hungry, he couldn't be hungry. I would say probably about 99. He might be hungry. About 95, and he could be hungry, probably less than 50%. All right, so now complete the sentences with one of the words from the boxes. I don't believe you. That can't be true. It's impossible. I'm not sure, but he might not be at work today because he felt sick yesterday. I'm so bored. Well, we could go on a picnic if you want to. The plane left 1 hour late, so we may arrive late in Paris. I feel so tired, so I may not come to the restaurant. I will see how I feel in an hour. Mom must sleep very heavily. She couldn't hear the music from next door. He must not be an English teacher. I don't understand anything he says. It might snow this weekend, so maybe we can go to the mountains. I think Dieter must run to work because he's always hot and sweaty in the morning. The company is doing very badly, so I may not have a job next week. No way. It can't rain today because the sun is shining. Are you serious? You must be joking. There's no way that story is true. She must not, or sorry, I would say probably she can't be married, not must not. She can't be married. She is only 20 years old, and that's too young. She must love black because she's always wearing black clothes. Unfortunately, it may not be sunny this weekend, so you can probably forget about going to the beach. The dog must be hungry because I forgot to feed him this morning. Did you see my keys? They might be on the kitchen table because that's where I usually put them. Wow, you got a 36% on your exam. Your parents must be furious. $5.90. That can't be the correct price. Milk is usually only $2.50 a carton. That man must be our new neighbor. I saw him yesterday too. So, Blair couldn't get to the meeting on time because her car broke down this morning. Those kids can't be dirty already. They put clean clothes on an hour ago. No, I'm sorry. He doesn't live here. You must have the wrong number. Tony's parents moved to California last year. He must miss them very much. Don't eat that food. It smells. I think it may be rotten. Throw it out. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.